Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel and welcome to today's video. So being a food blogger, I get asked a lot of times that how are you so fit after eating so much? So that's not the reality, guys. Recently I have gained a lot of weight and especially around my tummy area. So that's when I decided that I have to do something to lose it all and switch to healthier alternatives. So today I'm here to tell you guys about this e-commerce brand that I recently came across called Wellcurve. Yes, the name itself says that it's a health and wellness website, and that is exactly what they sell as well. With a catalog of over 1500 healthy products, Wellcurve has been in the market for over 3 years now. So what I love the most about their website was their brand spread. From the top selling brands like MyFitness, Yoga Bar, Pintola, Kapiva and new and upcoming brands, you will get everything on just one website. Now let me show you guys what all I ordered from their website, which are a part of my diet also. So the first product I got is this organic castor oil from the brand Kapiva. It is vegan, has no added preservatives, helps improve skin and hair health and also aids weight loss. So this is the first product I got. Next is this organic flax seeds which I got from this brand called Yoga Bar. So we all know the benefits of flax seeds. They are a great source of fiber, rich source of omega-3 fatty acids and filled with antioxidants. So this is the pack of 250 grams priced at 200 rupees. So next one is an interesting product. I haven't tried that before. So this is the pack of protein muesli I got from this brand called Yoga Bar. It has almonds, oats, quinoa, dark chocolate, chia and pumpkin seeds and contains whey protein and probiotics, no added preservatives, no artificial sweeteners and no chemicals at all. So this has all the good things. This pack is of 350 grams and is priced at 395 rupees. So I'm very excited to try this one simply because this is in the chocolate flavor. Next we have this Wheatgrass Juice again from this brand called Yoga Bar. So in case if you don't know, wheatgrass is a superfood that's rich in nutrients. It's your everyday health tonic and helps in treating some specific diseases by getting rid of impurities and stored toxins. And this is the bottle of 1 liter priced at 500 rupees. This is how it looks from the inside. It comes with this cap in which you can take the juice. So you have to take 30 ml of juice with 30 ml of water twice daily before meals. So it helps in boosting immunity and works as a natural detox, also reduces cholesterol. So this is the next product I got. So the last and my most favorite product of all is this minty pudina macanas from this brand called Farmlay. This one is so flavorful and tasty that I couldn't control and I've already finished this much amount of it. So this is how it looks from the inside. This one I've specially got for that healthy tea time snacking. It is of 90 grams and is of rupees 179. This flavor is a must try from my side. So now let me share with you two of my favorite things about this website. So the first one is you will find at least 40% off on their entire website throughout the year and 60% off on brands during their OTW sale, which happens during the first week of every month. And the second best part is I personally love their community feature where the experts have created videos around the benefits of products and they also help you shop as per your health goals. So if you feel like trying any of these products or this website called Wellcurve, you can use my discount code mentioned in the description box below and on the screens to get some amazing offers. That's it for this video, guys. If you like it, do give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more such content. I'll see you in the next one. Until then, bye-bye.